say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try.
What's up, fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm coming to you guys from Kisumu City. Yes, for the first time I'm actually renting out an Airbnb apartment in Kisumu. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. I'll take you around, of course. I'll show you around. And this decision was made like yesterday night, because I went to my sister's school today, by the way. I went to my sister's school and I went for a meeting there, and yeah, so I decided to spend in Kisumu so that tomorrow I can just come from Kisumu going back to Nairobi. So I'm only here for one night. So a quick one, I just want to show you the entire place. And the person who connected me to this Airbnb is someone who happened to be my school mother, or rather was my school mother when we were back in high school. So I was just able to call her, and then she was able to link me up with some Airbnb because I was looking for an Airbnb. And I found myself here. It's somewhere in Milimani Estate. If you know Kisumu very well and you know where Milimani is, yes, I'm somewhere hapo tu, you know. So let me just show you quickly how this place is. I'm just like I came in a few minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago, and yeah, I'm here. So let me just show you quickly. Let's start with this side. So that's the entrance, that's the door, and then when you come in, this is what you see. Yep, there's the dining table right there. Then we have a coffee table right there. Then we have, of course, the screen, and the internet is here. Like, we have Wi-Fi connected. Then we have this couch, which is looking very beautiful, and it's comfortable because I've sat there for at least a few minutes. And then on the wall we have that painting, which looks good, and I feel like it blends well with the, you know, when you look at that chair and then you just look at that, it just goes well. So that's how the living room is. It's a 1-bedroom Airbnb apartment. So from there we shall go straight to the kitchen, and as you can see, of course, we have the cooker right there if you want to fix anything, eat anything, make something there. Then we have the fridge we have the fridge down there. Then we have the microwave, and then when I came I just saw the eggs right here, by the way. So I even spoke to the lady and I was like, can I make the eggs, like, can I use them? And then she was like, yeah, sure. I think this is the first Airbnb where I found at least there's food that I can use. And plus I was not planning to cook, so I mean, yeah. Then that door takes you to the balcony behind. I mean, right now the sun is all out, so but it takes you to, there's a balcony. I peeped through my bedroom window, I was able to see. And then from here, guys, I think I will just take you straight. That's the door from the living room. You come this way, you go to the bathroom. So that's the toilet. Then we have sink right there. We have the sink right here. There's some soaps over there. Then we have this tap over here. If you're staying here for long, at least you can always wash your stuff. I'm seeing there's a bucket over there. There, that's the shower. I think it's an instant shower. And then yeah, you can just shower over here. So that's how the bathroom is from here. This much, ignore it. I'm the one who just stepped on it. It was neater when I came in. So when you come to the bedroom, there's this mirror right here that you see, and you're able to see the bed. Yes. And when you come straight to it, there's this window that brings in the lights. Yep. And then we have the bed right here, which is very cozy, by the way. Like, I've already sat on it and I'll be spending there for tonight. Then you have a towel, of course, right here. And for those who never carry their towels, yes, there's a towel for you. Then we have the mosquito net up there, in case you're the kind of person who doesn't like mosquitoes. Plus, Kisumu is usually known for mosquitoes. I don't know if that has changed, because when I was in high school I used to spend a lot of time in Kisumu. And yeah, at the far end, of course, you can see the closet. It's actually big enough. My jacket is already up, as you can see. Then we have my bag right there, and the other one, my bra is already there. I don't like bras, for Christ's sake. That is the first thing I remove when I get to the house, and I only wear it when I have to. My shoes are down there. Yeah, so that's for this side. I don't know if there's anything this side, but let's see. Oh, there is the iron box right there. Then oh yeah, here we have the towels, and then I'm seeing here we have the upper part, we have the bed sheets. Then on the downer part we have the mosquito something here. Mosquito spray. Yep. So good people, I'm done with shower and I'm premiering a video. Yes, it's around 5 p.m. and it's a Friday, and I usually premiere video every Friday, like post a video every Friday. So yes, I finished showering and then I just finished right before my premiere, so which is a good thing. So I'm able to chat with people, of course, on my phone, right here on the live chat. Yes. Oh, by the way, and the video is signs that will help you know whether you're dating yourself in a relationship or not. So anyway, if you didn't watch it, click on the link above, go watch it, and then come back to this video. Yep, it's premiering on this video, but of course you'll be able to watch it. It's on my channel. Cool?
So meet my coolest school mom ever, by the way.
Hi, my name is Nelly, aka Archie, depending on which angle you come from this continent. People call me Nelly, people call me Archie, people call me Mungai, so whichever tickles your fancy.
Yes, so that's how cool my school mom is. Imagine. So anyway, we're going to eat at a place called
La Pal.
La Pal.
At the place, good people, next to Lake Victoria. For some reason it's raining in Kisumu, so I had to change, like I'm wearing jeans and I carried an extra top. This is the place that we're supposed to hang around, but it's been raining in Kisumu, but this is the lake. So because of the bad weather, we'll have to sit inside. Great people, like I've not eaten the whole day. She's fine, but of course she's hungry. So you're talking, it's not fair. No, I'm so light. No, but you she's going to be polite, so I will eat everything, but I've not eaten the entire day. So yeah, this place is beautiful. Like I didn't know this one doesn't exist. Welcome to La Pal. Yeah, we are at La Pal. La Pal. So I can't wait to just have the fish. Oh, thank you so much. And they have many colors, by the way. Big colors. Kenyan colors. Yes, the only one missing is we're promoting handmade crafts. Oh, yes. Or even the pillows. Yes, handmade. Anyway, I'm waiting for the food. Yeah, I won't talk much, by the way. You just see the food, and then from there I think we'll just you'll see me tomorrow. Yeah, see me tomorrow. So you want to say bye in advance. Bye bye. See you in one of the next videos. I will be there. Yes. See you. Here, and of course the meeting went well. Oh my god, I really enjoyed it. It's about 8:30 right now. I had this curfew in Kisumu, but I didn't know about this curfew. I thought it was only in Nairobi. Me not watching news now, see my life. Anyway, good morning, good people. Yes, it's another day. So right now it's around 9:10. I'm supposed to just go fix something to eat because I feel like I'm super hungry. So I'll just fix something so quickly because I only have like 20 minutes to do that because I want to leave the house at around 9:30. Yes, but before I leave I need to get something, at least just eat something or drink something. So as I have this breakfast, let me just request for my cab quickly because I don't know how long it will take for it to get here. Yeah, looking for a ride. The guy is calling. Hello. Let me go to my cab right now. This one I'll just drink like water, and then we can link up as I'll be going. Yep.
My journey in Kisumu has finally come to an end. I mean, it was just a day, a night, which is okay. So see you in Nairobi in a few. If you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And until next time, good people, kisses too.
If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, but toe to toe, we're always on the road.